Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making the phone ready. Update iOS and free up a little space so animations run smoothly. Once done, open the App Store and download a well-rated Dynamic Island Simulator app. You must grant the app permissions for notifications and background refresh so it can display live content. Allow microphone or camera only if you plan to use those functions. Make sure location or battery settings aren't restricted because the overlay needs background activity to remain responsive. Now configure how the island behaves. Open the app and pick shape, size, and animation speed to match your preference. You'll want to enable live activities and notification preview so calls, timers, and media controls appear correctly. Once you set shortcuts, bind the island to selected apps. Music, timer, and navigation are most useful. Make sure the overlay permission is set to persistent or always on so the island stays visible during app use. And test with a quick timer or media playback to confirm visuals. Finish by testing the island with multiple events. Play music, start a timer, and simulate a call so you can see transitions and stacking behavior. If animations stutter, reduce the animation speed in settings and close unnecessary background apps to free CPU cycles. This often fixes lag. If the overlay won't appear, revoke and regrant notification or overlay permissions, reboot the phone. And if needed, reinstall the app. Most issues resolve after a permissions reset and restart, so try that first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.